Good morning, YouTube. Today I'm at East Kilbride station, which is, if you look over the fence, having a brand new station building built as part of the electrification project. So the wires are up. There's a brand new station at Hamilton, the next stop down the line, and East Kilbride is obviously getting a new station building. The electric trains are due to come in service in December. They've just finished a 3-month-ish line closure to get all the wires up, so they're obviously finishing building this new station building here. But this station, clearly a terminus now. It didn't always used to be a terminus station. These lines used to carry on through that building all the way to Hamilton. So today we're going to take a bike ride along the line, see what's left of what used to be the railway here. Let's go. So there's quite a curious feature here, because we've walked through, there's a sheltered housing complex between the station and where I am now. This has obviously been a railway bridge, but it's been completely filled in underneath. So we're going to follow the line that way. And at the end of that car park there's another buried bridge. So the cycle path has ended in this industrial estate, but the track bed's actually down in that cutting, which is very overgrown and not cyclable, so I'll try and catch up with it later down, further down. So the line here has come basically through the middle of that Premier Inn, and it's going to go down here and underneath the dual carriageway down there somewhere. So I've followed this road down from the Premier Inn and found this, what's been a bridge abutment. Quite obviously that's all overgrown up the top and uncyclable. That comes across here to this, and it carries on off in the countryside. I'm going to have a look up here and see if we can get up on top of that. Right, so we've climbed up to the top of this embankment. The bridge is over there. That's disappearing off into the countryside. I'm not sure how cyclable this is going to be. I might have to go back down on the road and just follow the railway on the road, because this is basically just going into farmers' fields where it is. So I've come back down to the main road, but basically that tree line there is where the track bed is. Right, so basically the track's coming up through here. If I turn around, this cutting here, that's the line carrying on up there. I want to be careful about taking pictures here because this is the bottom of somebody's garden, but if you look just in these trees, there's a bridge pillar there, so there's been a viaduct. Completely inaccessible now, it's in the woods in there somewhere. Right, so I found a way down to this river, and there's pillars of obviously what's been a viaduct here. It's hard to see them through the trees. But yeah, that's quite impressive actually. So the viaduct is behind us. This path is carrying on along the track bed, so let's see how far we can get on it. the bottom of this estate, and the East Kilbride Expressway is basically sitting on top of the trackbed, so obviously I can't cycle up there. I'm going to try and find where the line joins onto the existing railway. So upon checking the maps, the trackbed is actually coming pretty much following the route of this slipway, going across this roundabout and disappearing up that hedge over there. So again, I've come around the back of I think some houses here. I think the railway is going off somewhere in that direction vaguely, but obviously I can't cycle through all this foliage. So I've found a railway. So somewhere I'm on the footpath side of the bridge. You can't really get over there because it's just road. You have to be quick for that happening. But somewhere over there, you'll have the line coming from the right. It's turning off and joining the railway. It's really hard to see. There's a train. And run. Yeah, so it'll be coming from the right somewhere and joining on that way. So that's it, that's the end of my little adventure. If you like this video, click up here somewhere for more, and if you enjoyed it, give it a like, and I'll see you in the next one.